Yeah, welcome to my next tutorial, which is HTML form. In my previous tutorial, I show you how you write tag with their headings, bold, underline, italic, and the rest of it. So this is how, if you try to use them, they will show you in a browser. Run it, and this is how what is the income. The outcome of it will be this is bold, this is underline, and this is italic. Now let's dive into my tutorials as HTML forms. HTML forms are used to pass data to the server. Forms might contain input elements like text field, checkbox, radio buttons, submit buttons, select list, text area, field set, legend, and label elements, and many more. So to start writing a, HTML form, this is how the tag would look like. You have your opening tag and the closing tag. The three dot referring to is where your, your input elements or the text or the input what is needed in the form are to be placed. So we also have a secret a select a selection. That select tag that work with options. So in a selection form, assuming something you want to type a list of a document, while somebody need to select them and choose. So this is the code that we use for selection. We have the HTML tag, the header, the title, that is my first HTML page, the head, the body, the form. That's why you place your form inside the body. Then select, then the option of the selection. That is select a country. Then you close your selection tag. That's the option tag. The option one is Nigeria, and the second one is USA, and the third one is UK. Then you close your selection, you close your form tag, and you close your body tag together with the HTML tag. So if you want to design a form that the user need to select a single document or a single from the list, this is how you go about it. If you run this code, this is what you are going to see. This is the result of this code. I want to see a select country, and this is the result of the code. Another tag that I want to talk about it inside the form are the input type. Another input type that you needed is text. That's why you enter name, first name, second name, or last name. Another input type I want to talk about it is the radio type. The radio is used to select in between the two, as the example of to select a male or a female. Another checkbox input type that I want to talk about it is checkbox. That there is a list and you should check the box that you needed or the option that says to check to agree or yes or whatsoever. That is why we need the checkbox. And the text area, as earlier stated, to write a message. So they might ask you to drop a comment or to write something in your form to make user make their comment. This is why you will need a text area. After the user has finished filling the form and the user need to submit the form, we need a submit button to specify that I have finished everything, I want to submit my form. So this is how the task might be arranged. If you run this code, if you run the HTML code, this is what you are going to see as the outcome of the code. You see my first HTML page. The first one is the input type, the radio, the text box, the message area, and the submit button. Keep following my videos to see what you can do with more HTML. Thank you for watching. See you next time for my next video. Thank you. Thank you.